In this video, I'll walk you through the process of walking slowly in Roblox. If you find the tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome tips and tricks. Walking slowly in Roblox can help you avoid triggering traps or enemies in certain games. It can also allow for better control and precision during difficult platforming sections. To make your character in Roblox walk slowly instead of running, first, open Roblox on your laptop or PC and start any game you'd like to play. Typically, your character will start moving quickly when you begin walking. However, if you want to adjust the walking speed, follow these steps. Begin by accessing your computer's Bluetooth settings. Ensure that Bluetooth is turned on. Once it is enabled, go to the New Devices section and look for the DualSense wireless controller. When it appears, click to connect the controller to your laptop or PC via Bluetooth. After successfully connecting the controller, open the game's control panel. In the control panel, navigate to the Settings tab and locate the Movement Mode option. From the available choices, select Keyboard plus Mouse to set the movement controls accordingly. Once you've made this adjustment, either press the Escape key or click the Resume button to return to the game. Now, press the designated key on your keyboard, and you should notice that your character moves more slowly, as shown on the screen. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, your character will walk at a slower pace, and it won't run unless you choose to increase the walking speed again. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.